You've probably heard of creatine, but you might not realize how much it can transform your daily routine. Even if you're not a professional athlete, creatine is a substance naturally produced by your body, mainly in the liver, kidneys, and pancreas. It's made up of 3 amino acids: arginine, glycine, and methionine. But what makes it so special? Simple. It provides quick energy for your muscles during high-intensity, short-duration activities, like lifting weights or sprinting. Of it as an extra battery for your body. When your energy runs low, creatine kicks in and gives you that final push. And the best part, you don't need to be a marathon runner or bodybuilder to enjoy its benefits. Recent studies show that creatine can also improve cognitive function. Yes, your brain uses ATP energy just like your muscles. Help with muscle recovery. After workouts, be a powerful ally in preventing neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In other words, even if you're not an athlete, creatine can help you have more energy throughout the day, boost your mental performance, and protect your brain over time. Now that you know what creatine is, let's get straight to the point. Why is it so powerful? Here are 5 scientifically proven benefits that will convince you to start using creatine today. 1. Increased strength and muscle power. This is the most well-known benefit, and for good reason. Creatine helps quickly recharge ATP molecules, your body's main source of energy. This allows you to perform more repetitions, lift heavier weights, push through more intense workouts. The result? Faster gains in strength and muscle mass. 2. Improved physical endurance. While it's famous for explosive exercises like weightlifting, creatine can also improve endurance in long-duration activities, such as long-distance running, swimming, endurance sports. It delays muscle fatigue, allowing you to go further in your workouts. 3. Faster muscle recovery. Know that muscle soreness that hits the next day? Creatine can help reduce it by decreasing muscle damage, reducing inflammation, accelerating muscle recovery. This means you'll be ready for your next workout sooner and with more intensity. 4. Improved cognitive function. Most people don't realize it, but creatine also fuels your brain by increasing energy availability. It can help improve focus and concentration, boost short-term memory, fight neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 5. Muscle protection for older adults. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. Creatine can help slow down muscle loss, keep muscles strong and healthy for longer, improve overall mobility and quality of life. These benefits show that creatine goes far beyond aesthetics. It's a powerful tool for both your body and mind. Even though creatine is one of the most studied and safest supplements in the world, there are still plenty of myths surrounding it. It's time to finally put an end to the misinformation. Myth 1. Creatine is bad for your kidneys. This is by far the most common myth, and it's completely false. The truth: there's no scientific evidence that creatine harms the kidneys in healthy individuals. Long-term studies have confirmed that even with continuous use, creatine doesn't impair kidney function. Fact: if you already have a pre-existing kidney condition, consult a doctor before starting any supplement. Otherwise, creatine is completely safe for healthy people. Myth 2. Creatine causes harmful water retention. Creatine does cause water retention, but not the kind you're thinking of. It draws water into your muscle cells, which keeps your muscles hydrated, supports muscle growth, improves recovery and performance. Fact: it doesn't cause bloating or whole-body water retention. Instead, this intracellular hydration actually helps improve strength and endurance. Myth 3. You need to cycle creatine. Idea of cycling creatine, taking breaks from using it, comes from a misunderstanding of older studies. There's no need to cycle creatine. Fact: you can use creatine continuously without harming your health. The most important thing is to maintain a consistent daily intake of 3 to 5 grams to keep your muscles saturated. Now that you know what creatine does and which myths you should ignore, it's time to learn how to use the supplement properly to get the best results. The good news? It's easier than you think. What's the ideal dose? The standard recommendation, based on scientific research, is 3 to 5 grams per day. This amount is enough to saturate your muscles over time and maintain ideal creatine levels. Tip: don't exceed the recommended dose, as taking more won't bring extra benefits and could cause stomach discomfort. What about the famous creatine loading phase? You may have heard of a loading phase, where you take 20 grams per day for 5 to 7 days to saturate your muscles faster. The truth: while this method works, it's not necessary. If you prefer a more gradual approach, start directly with 3 to 5 grams per day. You'll see the same results, just at a slower pace. When is the best time to take creatine? The most important thing is daily consistency. It doesn't really matter when you take it, as long as you're consistent. Bonus tip: based on recent studies, taking creatine after your workout, along with a meal rich in carbs and protein, may improve absorption. Do you need to drink more water? Yes. Since creatine draws water into your muscles, it's essential to stay hydrated to avoid muscle cramps, dehydration, general discomfort. Pro tip: drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day, especially if you're exercising regularly. What should you mix it with? You can mix creatine with water, juice, A post-workout shake? Myth busted. It's not necessary to take creatine with simple carbohydrates like dextrose. While it can speed up absorption, it's not essential for results. See how simple it is. The secret lies in consistency, not complexity. In the next chapter, we'll talk about the real side effects of creatine, and what's just hype, is one of the most studied and safest supplements in the world. But like any substance, it can cause side effects in specific cases. Let's break down what can really happen and what's just exaggerated. 1. Water retention, but in a good way. Yes, creatine causes water retention, but not in the harmful way many people think. It draws water into your muscle cells, which keeps your muscles hydrated, improves workout performance, gives your muscles a fuller, more pumped appearance. Fact, this isn't the kind of bloating that makes you look swollen all over. Instead, this intracellular hydration helps improve strength and endurance. 2. Gastrointestinal discomfort people experience. Mild bloating, nausea, stomach discomfort. How to avoid it? Stick to the recommended dose, 3 to 5 grams per day, if necessary. Split the dose throughout the day to ease digestion. 3. Cramps and dehydration. Myth busted. For a long time it was believed that creatine caused cramps and dehydration. However, numerous studies have proven that this isn't true. What to do? Stay hydrated by drinking 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Drink more on workout days, especially if you sweat a lot. 4. Kidney damage. Only in specific case for healthy individuals. There's no risk of kidney damage from creatine use. Long-term research confirms that normal doses are safe. Caution: if you have a pre-existing kidney condition, consult your doctor before starting any supplement. Creatine is safe when used correctly. Creatine's side effects are rare and generally only happen if you take extremely high doses. You don't stay hydrated. Asterisk: many people think creatine is a supplement exclusively for bodybuilders or elite athletes. But the truth is, its benefits go far beyond the gym. Let's find out who can and should use creatine in their daily life. 1. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts. If you practice any type of sport, whether it's weightlifting, running, swimming, or football, creatine can be a powerful ally. The main benefits for athletes include increased strength and physical endurance, faster muscle recovery, more intense training sessions, leading to quicker performance improvements. For peak performance, creatine is essential if you want to push past your limits and reach your full potential. 2. Students and professionals looking for mental performances. Creatine is also good for your brain. Studies show that it can improve memory and concentration, help maintain focus under pressure, enhance logical thinking during moments of mental stress. When it's useful, perfect for students preparing for exams, professionals handling high-pressure tasks, or anyone who needs sharp focus. 3. Older adults and people going through the aging process. As we age, muscle loss, sarcopenia, and cognitive decline become real concerns. Creatine can help preserve muscle mass, improve mobility, protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's. A true ally for longevity. Health professionals often recommend creatine to improve the quality of life in older adults. 4. People in physical rehabilitation or recovery. If you're recovering from an injury or surgery, creatine can help maintain muscle mass during periods of inactivity, speed up physical recovery, prevent loss of strength during rehabilitation. Great tool for physical therapy. Many physiotherapists recommend creatine as part of the recovery process. 5. Anyone looking for more daily energy. Even if you don't exercise regularly, creatine can be a great ally too. Boost overall energy levels, improve focus at work, help you deal with everyday fatigue. Energy for your routine. A small daily dose might be all you need to feel more energized without relying on stimulants. Creatine is for more people than you think. Creatine isn't just for athletes. It's useful for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, students and professionals, older adults, people under physical rehabilitation, and anyone who just wants more energy and focus. Asterisk: now that you know everything about creatine, what it is, how it works, its real benefits, and the myths you should ignore, time for the most important question. Is it worth taking creatine? The short answer is yes, absolutely. Whether you're an athlete looking for maximum performance, a student wanting to improve focus and memory, an older adult aiming to preserve muscle and cognitive health, or someone simply looking for more energy to handle daily life, creatine is an affordable, safe supplement with scientifically proven benefits. Tips to get the best results. 1. Consistency is key. Take the recommended dose of 3 to 5 grams every day, even on rest days. Consistency over time is what brings real results. 2. Stay hydrated. Plenty of water, 2 to 3 liters per day, to optimize creatine's effects and avoid discomfort like cramps. 3. Maintain a balanced diet. Creatine is a supplement, not a replacement for a healthy diet. Make sure you're eating enough protein, carbs, and micronutrients to support your fitness and health goals. 4. Be patient. Results take time. Creatine enhances your results, but it doesn't work miracles on its own. Stay consistent with your workouts, get enough rest, and maintain good nutrition for the best results. Now that you know everything about creatine, It's your turn to make a move. If you're looking to boost your strength, improve focus and memory, or simply gain more energy throughout the day, creatine could be the perfect supplement for you. Enjoyed the content? Join our community, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, and tell me in the comments, have you tried creatine before? What were your results? I'd love to hear about your experience. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Take care of it, and see you in the next video.